I'm just going to run through a bit about the framework and also these benches. So the bench tops, I've just used 12mm hardwood ply, and when it's supported every so often, it's really solid. It's not going to go anywhere. And I've made it in two parts. This is because my electronics will be here, so I want to be able to lift it up. And this one I'll probably just screw down when I'm ready. So as you can see, just if I pull these out, the design of the stud work, it's quite simple. So I basically use this 32mm square wood, which is like a 1 1/4 inch, and it's square. It's basically big enough that you can screw a normal size screw, not too fat screw, and it won't split, which makes it very easy just to basically, for this joint here, I've just double tap 2 straight in the top. And I've just framed the whole thing out with it. All of this is made of the same pieces of wood, and you need a lot of this wood. So when I'm building stud work, the main thing I try and do is make sure everything is square. So you just use a square, and I can kind of see also from the floor that everything we're building is basically right on. And then when it's square, all I can do is just bang some screws in. So here I'm using the angles. Where you can see the joint, I'll put it behind it. So here it's all behind, and it just makes it a little bit tidier and visually nicer from whatever angle you're looking at the van. To do this joint, so we just put 2 screws in each side of this angle, and then the top, just 2 long screws all the way down. No, didn't drill a hole, just bop, bop, done, really easy. For the bed, I didn't really want to have angles coming down here because that would be the easiest way to support this beam. So I've put 2 and just like done all the screws up, and it's pretty strong. You can see there's some flex still, but when I build up the other layers of the bed and put in some little brackets and things, it will actually be pretty strong in the end. I'm gonna have slats which go all the way along, a lot of them, and they'll be screwed and screwed. So there's actually not going to be a lot of weight on this in the end. So it kind of doesn't matter too much. Often people have a lot of questions about the framework and the dimensions. And what I would encourage you to do is start with your bed size or whatever you're trying to build around, and just build out the back of that. And just be confident. And if you're just screwing stuff together, if you get it wrong, you unscrew it and you're fine. I hope you enjoyed that video. We work really hard to make these videos, and we really appreciate that you helped us by supporting the content that we make. Don't forget that in the description there are a bunch of links for all the parts which we mentioned in this video, and check them out, and it will just make your life a little bit easier when you're searching for things to use for your van. Best of luck for the rest of your conversion. I can't wait to see you guys on the road.